हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो आज मैं ड्रॉ करने वाला हूँ सन जिनवू फ्रॉम सोलो लेवलिंग, और इस ड्राइंग को करने के लिए मैं यूज़ करने वाला हूँ ग्रिड मेथड का, और शुरुआत करूँगा इसके बालों से।
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You will break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break.
सो स्केचिंग इज डन। अब बारी है कलरिंग की, और कलर के लिए मैं यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा हूँ कैमल का वाटर कलर।
flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption. Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Promise up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Tell me up, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do
इसको कलर करते टाइम मुझे इतना तो समझ में आ चुका है कि इसको कलर करना इतना भी ज़्यादा इजी नहीं होने वाला मेरे लिए।
save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own when you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
अगर आप लोग ये वीडियो अभी तक देख रहे हो इसका मतलब आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो और चैनल में नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो। तो ड्राइंग काफ़ी सुनी सुनी लग रही है, तो इसके बैकग्राउंड में भी थोड़ा कलर किया जाए। और इसको कलर करने के लिए भी मैं यहाँ पे वाटर कलर का यूज़ करने वाला हूँ।
Let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping a model.
And it's done. Have a look. तो आज के इस वाले वीडियो में बस इतने। अगर वीडियो पसंद है वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, चैनल में है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। और हाँ, बिल्कुल भी भूलना मत कि कमेंट में बताना कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी है। तो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए सायोनारा।